Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo. This is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on Add Picture. Here you've got device photos or Google Photos. So here you've got your backed up photos. Here the gallery or the camera. You can open the camera app right away. I'll choose something from the gallery. Let me find it. And now in this step you can change the position of the photo, you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose and confirm it with tapping on save. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You can see this photo on the contact list and during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.